Is that alright? You know what to do. The next day. See ya. I'll show him. I'll show him. I'll show him. But first I'll need to get on the track. Hey. I'm switched to the points. Okay. And switch. Perfect. All going to Scaledale. This isn't fun, is it? I'm just lying here. I'll show him. I'm gonna get back on the track. You remember that. If you think that he is a better train, then you are wrong. Well, first they need to fix that railroad crossing again. Ugh. Huh? Help! Help! Oh dear, it looks like I have to help him. Well, that's a difficult one. Ah! Let me get onto the track for the, second time? Perfect! I'm over there. Okay. Right. We need to get there. Oh, that was very cool. Right. Right, okay. Don't get distracted. Heh. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Right, we've got it. Right, I'm being stupid, aren't I? Right, let's actually, Oh. Well, I'm not responsible for that. Bye! Shoot. Oh. Well, can I still move, at least? Please say I can. No. Well. You've been a very silly engine. Oh, that was my fault. Oh. Well, that crane's really took that. What have we done? Well, thought you were gonna save me, man. I've crashed. What do you expect me to do? Fair point. Well, I guess I have to help you now. You just get me back on the track. Nah, I prefer going the right way. Whee! I've got some bad news. What is it? I can't stop.